This is working? Oh yeah, I have to do the disclaimer. Hi. What up, what up, what up? You know, I got stopped in my shorts in profit and then we inverted and I re-entered, so I'm waiting. I'm still waiting and I'm still in shorts, you guys. I do want lower. This would be 3 hours, so I'm waiting for us to take this out. I kind of anticipate the amount of times we bounced. I think we're gonna dump through this. That's why I don't have a limit there. I kind of just gonna be ready to market or buy or whatever. This is a crazy market, and honestly, if I get stopped at break even, I'm totally done for the day because I made some money shorting, but yeah, I want lower. Where's ES? Yeah. There's a little volume imbalance. This is a 5-minute inversion. See if we retrace again here and then dump. I had like a super tight stop here. Just do this, so that's why I was able to take 3 micros, but today's a pretty hard day. Even so, I made money, but I wanted lower. That's why I'm still streaming, because I want lower still. I think this is possible. To me, this looks so sus. Like, we're just making these... We're bouncing. It's so sus to me. If you take me out, I'm done, because I want to dump already. I don't want to hold for another retrace there and try again. So we'll see. What was this? Yeah, this is a tiny volume imbalance. Even on the 5, it's a tiny volume imbalance. Meh. This is a little 5-minute inversion, and inverted this one too. Let's put the fib up. Yeah. This is 50%. So we'll see if it ends up retracing and rejecting here. See if this rejects. I'd like it reject now, yeah. Okay. It's crazy, I'm getting like these sniper entries lately. But the market's definitely not one directional right now. If I get stopped out in profit, I'm done again. I'm done for the day. I'm done for the day. I really thought we were gonna dump. Damn it. Whatever, we're done. Boo. So I wonder if I don't really care what's gonna happen actually. At all. We'll find out, but I don't really care because we're not dumping. Dude, I thought we would get to here at least. I want this 3R, whatever. Unbelievable. I swear, I keep getting, whatever. I'm not gonna look anymore. It's over. SMH. Someone said you should have been done. Someone said she came to flex. No. I'm literally just trying to stay accountable. But okay, I won't go live then if you don't want me to go live. Because if this gets me stopped out, I know that if I could potentially, overtrade. So whatever. Three trades, one win, one stopped in profit, one like break even there, and that's it. So rude, NQ. Yeah, we're just going back and forth. I'm done. These retracements are so stupid. Yeah, I think that there's no more participation left. There, what was this? This was like like from Thursday. Yeah. This was Thursday, the win and then the break even. That was fun. Okay. Or Friday. Yeah, we're back and forth. This is boring. Can you imagine if it dumps now without me? No, I'm not gonna do that. It's not gonna happen. I think right now, honestly, my reasoning, and I'm coming online, is I think that we're probably gonna consolidate back and forth. And yeah, this keeps me accountable to not try more. Number one, but right now I'm thinking about options pricing, right? The implied volatility is so high on any options contract, right? Because we had this like huge move up and down, and now they're like drying up the contracts, so that makes sense. I think we're just gonna consolidate, and I'm done for the day. It's a crazy day. This was a good sell, and then, dude, it went to my target on NinjaTrader in 2 minutes. No, it went to like first target. I only had one contract, so whatever. That was insane. Stopped in profit. Again, I wanted lower, so I'm okay with this. Like, I guess the afternoon at what time? I would honestly, yeah, whatever. After 2 p.m., maybe I'll stream again at 2 p.m. Let me know. Unless you don't want me to stream, I don't care. I feel like we're probably gonna go back and forth, dry up options contracts, and also just like do some seek and destroy action here. Probably wick a low, reverse wick a high, do whatever. It's not gonna be worth it. And then in the afternoon, maybe we'll start something. And I would check after 2 because that's when the next 4-hour candle starts. But otherwise, I mean, whatever. Today is a good day. It's a good day. Sometimes if you like, you could turn a good day into a bad day if you overstay your welcome. So that's why I'm like, okay, let me stay accountable here. Crazy ranges. I made it out alive. Yeah, that burst up from here to here. It's like 1,300 points, and we completely took it all the way out. So as long as you're still in shorts, see you at 2. Okay, thanks, Dicky Mo. That's funny. I'm not wearing. I thought you were saying shorts, but instead you. Okay. So how many points for the day? Okay, let's see. A lot. Let's see, 250, 70. 250 plus 70 is 320, and then some change there. I would say like 350. which is crazy because that's not even like, that's like a quarter of the day's range, which is good, but it's just crazy that's our new reality, you guys. On the daily, we moved like, today's range is insane. 1,700 points. So yeah, I would not flip bullish unless there was like a inversion of that 5 up there. I don't know, a break above this with a displacement on the 5, and then closing pretty nicely above this. Like I said, I'll probably also, yeah, I'm gonna see what's up at 2 p.m., but I'm not flipping bullish right now in this market. I think it's more likely we go lower. It's so definitely weird that we keep bouncing like this. So we could take this out. So that's why I got stopped. It's lunchtime, so there's no point. We're not going to dump again. It's just huge ranges, but right now we're consolidating. At 2 p.m., let me know. I'll put a vote out here. Do you want to? Someone said, do you use market orders? I used a market order in ES when price and consolidated and got a fill negative 20 points. Now, today I only did, today I did limit and limits. Maybe actually I did market here. Look at the 1. What did I do there? No, I did a limit here, I think. Yeah, limit. You know what? Maybe I did a market on this one. That wouldn't be surprising. But it is a crazy, yeah, honestly. Yeah, this limit fill was it was insane. I should have just, when you have just one on your one contract though, very difficult to manage. But yeah, that was a 2.5 R in 2 minutes. But I thought that we might just, I think we still can. But I think it'll happen in the afternoon. I'm still bearish. Unless, like I said, unless we take this out and like close above the 5. And that's unlikely. What's more likely is that we kind of consolidate going into 2. And then I'll assess. Like, let me know if you want me to stream at 2 p.m. today. But right now, it's a lot of back and forth. Like, yeah, you can be up 200 points in NASDAQ in 1 minute. So it's not a big deal. But maybe I should have taken some. I wanted this low. Honestly, it didn't take. We're keeping these lows in. So I'll provide liquidity for later. See what's ES doing. That push up during the morning was just so insane. I'm gonna go for a walk now. I'll put a poll right now. Should I? Okay. Should I stream the afternoon there? 2 p.m. today? That's annoying as hell. Yeah, short this or stopped in profit again. But hey, you see, that's why I stayed on here, because I didn't want to get enticed to trade this range now. You see, it looked frustrating in the moment, getting stopped out literally at this point high. But look, we did grind back up. We're just kind of grinding now. Complicated market. Yeah, smash the like button. Let's see. Yes, I'll be there. 89%. All right. We'll see you guys at 2 p.m. I'm going to go for a walk and eat lunch. I didn't drink water yet today, so time to drink water.